Welcome to Accent Master. Today we are continuing our pasta series because you need to know your pasta, my friend, if you're going to deal with Italians in your life. And we're looking at the correct pronunciation of the word FUSILLI. FUSILLI. Fu-zi-li. FUSILLI. Now, for the non-natives, notice that the stress is on the second syllable, si, FUSILLI, that's the one that is stressed in the middle, and there is a double L which produces a longer or stronger sound. So if there was only one L, you would have pronounced it FUSILI. But because there are two, you pronounce it FUSILLI. Can you tell the difference? The S in the middle is in between vowels, and according to standard rules, that turns it from a S sound, without using your vocal cords, into a Z sound, while your vocal cords vibrate. So, FUSILLI. With that being said, a lot of Italians, particularly in the center, all the way down into the south, will pronounce it with a S sound. So it will sound FUSILLI. FUSILLI. So at the end of the day, while for standard Italian it is more correct to pronounce it as a Z, both are used in Italy, so personal preference. The word, in fact, means little spindle, if you really wanted to translate it. Not that Italians think about it that way, but still, if you really want to know, that's what it means, obviously due to the shape. Buon appetito. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.